Chapter 3. Weather and Climate. The atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. These conditions include temperature, rainfall, and humidity. Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Different parts of the world have different types of climate. Look at the given map. Weather events are recorded and predicted by meteorologists worldwide every day. They do this with the help of special satellites meant for weather forecasting. Factors that affect climate: latitude and angle of the sun's rays. The earth is spherical and it revolves around the sun. Besides, it is also tilted on its axis. Therefore, the sun rays do not fall evenly all over the earth. The equator, being nearer to the sun, receives direct sunlight. Therefore, the areas near the equator have hot and wet climate throughout the year. Since these regions fall between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer, the climate of this region is also called tropical climate. The temperature decreases gradually as we move away from the equator towards the poles. This is because the rays of the sun fall in a slanting way and are spread over a large area. This makes the areas near the poles very cold. These areas are called cold or frigid zones. There are two frigid zones. The area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole is called North Frigid Zone, and the area between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is called the South Frigid Zone. These areas have polar climate. In between the torrid zones and the frigid zones lie two other zones. They are neither very hot nor very cold. They are called the temperate zones. The area between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer is called the North Temperate Zone, and the area between the Antarctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the South Temperate Zone. Altitude, height above sea level. Altitude means height above sea level. It also affects climate very much. The higher a place above the sea level is, the cooler is its climate. This explains why hill stations like Kufri, Ooty, Shimla and Mussoorie remain cool even in summers. Distance from the sea. Water heats up and cools down more slowly than land. This affects the climate of places near the sea. In summer, the sea breeze keeps the places near the sea cool, and in winter, the sea breeze keeps them warm. Mumbai is closer to the equator than Delhi, so it should be warmer than Delhi during summer. But this is not so, because Mumbai is situated on the coast of the Arabian Sea, while Delhi is away from the sea. So, Mumbai experiences a moderate climate. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Winds. Winds also affect the climate of a place. If a wind blows from a hot place, it will make the climate hot in the surroundings. Similarly, if a wind blows from a cool place, it will make the climate cool. For example, the hot wind blowing from the Thar Desert makes the climate of Delhi very hot during summer. Similarly, the cold wind blowing from Shimla makes the climate of Delhi very cold in winter. The monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal bring rain all over India. The climate in the rainy season is hot and wet. Humidity. Water vapor present in the air is called humidity. It also affects the climate of a place. Humidity of a place is related to its distance from the sea. If a place is near the sea, it is likely to be more humid. That is why Chennai and Mumbai are more humid than Delhi. A hot and humid climate makes us sweat a lot. The wind coming from the sea carries a lot of water vapor. When the wind becomes cooler, the water vapor turns into clouds. The clouds fall on the ground as rain. That is why coastal areas receive more rainfall than other areas. The rain cools the air, thereby it affects the climate. Effects of climate on our life. Climate affects our clothing, housing and eating habits. For example, people in Chennai wear loose cotton clothes because they experience hot and humid climate throughout the year. Similarly, people in European countries eat a lot of fat, meat, because the climate of Europe is cold and fat keeps them warm. Points to remember. Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The areas near the equator are the hottest in the world. The areas near the poles are the coldest in the world. The higher a place above the sea level, the cooler is its climate. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air.